What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. This is the bit obscene one. So this is the weed coloring book. I have talked about stoner coloring book before, but this is another niche. So this is the weed coloring book. This weed coloring book only has 838 results, so it's a really good niche. So let me show you the covers here. Very beautiful covers here. You can get that very independently published. They are also independent published, so they are published on KDP as a self-published like us. So they have a great covers though. This is a great thing about KDP. If you have a great cover, you can make a lot of sales here. You can go to topcoverdesigner.com if you want to have your book cover made for cheap, right? So these are the covers here. This is the type of books that you just psychedelic coloring book, right? So let me show you how much people are making. So I'm using KDP here. So it shows me all the revenue here. 5,000, 4,000, 2,000. So people are making a lot of money with this, and it's not even Halloween. It spikes up on the Halloween, on the holiday period, because people are gifting. So I'm using this extension, so it shows me all the keywords that I can use. So this extension is free. I'll show you where you can get this extension. This is a very good extension. This is free extension. It will show you all the keywords in it complete. So for the weed coloring book for stoners, it has a lot of competition, so we're not going to use this. So let me just go back here. So this is the niche, and let me show you where you can get the extension. So you go to kdprank.com, you just download the extension for free and use it. It will show you all the competing products and the search volume trends. So I'm just going to copy my keyword here and let me show you the deepest part of the kdprank.com. So sorry about that. Let me close this. Let me just, yes. When you go to kdprank.com and you select tools and you select magnet and paste in your keyword, it will show you all the keywords that you can use in this niche. So it's very competing products, and you can change the competing products here and all the keywords that you can use for your title and subtitle. So it's very good, very good, very good. So you can get any of these keywords as your title and the subtitle on the 7 keyword search. So be smart about it. So besides, it's free, so you just use it on kdprank.com. So on kdpdownload.com, you can download the interest. So always get the interest from this kdpdownload.com. Just why do you have to go buy here? So you can just download this for free. You can even make one, by the way. I'll show you how you can make one. There is an AI tool here, kdpdownload.com. So there is an AI tool. Let me show you. Here is an AI tool. You just generate interest just out of like Midjourney, right? For the interest. So it's really good. So finally, just go to kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guide. I wrote this book and I'm gonna give it to you for free. I'm just gonna need your email. So this is a niche, guys. Have fun with this one and make money. Bye bye.